smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive, and I soar. Still I run towards the wind and let the challenge draw me in, 'cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
Hey, welcome to Rudderless Media. My name is Chris, and I'm a road trip, day trip, and all-around travel expert in this travel space based in Toronto. So glad you found us. With my partner Gordana, you'll find day trips, weekend getaways, road trips, detailed destination itineraries, tips and tricks, travel-related products, services, and app reviews here on the channel. We love to eat, we love to drink, we love to be merry and have fun. Off the beaten path and hidden gems are our jam, but we won't shy away from popular tourist spots. We absolutely love interviewing and chatting with the locals to dive deeper into each destination we visit. Road Trip Ontario is a collection of articles and videos that will inspire travel enthusiasts from Ontario to explore Ontario, the rest of Canada, and the USA. Rudderless Travel curates articles and videos for those in North America who are keen on taking day trips and road trips from the big cities in Europe and beyond. Highway Highlights is the channel's exclusive podcast where we pull together all the interviews and stories found throughout the channel. And the Road Trip Ready podcast is a podcast I co-host with the awesome Danielle Desert-Corbett of The Thought Card. It is for those in North America who love road tripping throughout North America. We discuss all aspects of road tripping, tips, tricks, hidden gems, tell stories, and speak with all sorts of fun people. If this sounds like you, please subscribe to our channel. I look forward to getting to know you. Slanche.
And I'm living free, living free, living free, and I was meant to be. Living free, living free, living free, and I was meant to be. I'm living free, living free, living free, and I was meant to be free. Meant to be free.